Hello, beautiful. It's Mally Roncal from Mally Beauty, and we are here with David's Bridal to show you the fun and flirty look. Guys, it's all about this little white dress with big impact, okay? How fabulous, how fierce. It doesn't always have to be a big ball gown. It can be something just as simple as this that looks so fabulous. All right, we're gonna go remove the veil. I feel like I'm gonna cry. And we're gonna start with my Moonlight shadow stick, which also is available in the Mally Beauty David's Bridal Touch-Up Kit. Okay, now what we wanna do is we wanna take that and put it where you want a little bit of shimmer or a little bit of glimmer. So I love to take it, put it right in the center of the eye, just like so. I like to take it right underneath the brow to really carve it out and give it a beautiful lift. Also, yes, like to take it in the inner corners of the eyes for a little pop. And how about this? Great for your pictures. Take it and run it right on the tips of your cheekbones for a beautiful, fresh highlight. But the star of the show of the fun and flirty look is, dun dun dun, a gorgeous red lip. I am obsessed with this look. Everything else is really soft and pretty, but you're really gonna pop it with my Boss Lady Intense Color Lip Gloss, all right? So you wanna go in, and don't be afraid, guys. This needs to be the star. The great thing about this formula is you do not need any lipstick. It has so much pigment, so much color, that you just put it on in one fell swoop, and you get that gorgeous, gorgeous, intense shade. Okay, so go ahead and apply. Give me a ma. There you go. Oh, honey, she's coming. And just make sure, again, that you really create that beautiful shape. You want it to be beautiful and precise all the way to the edge of the mouth. And that will be the star of the show, besides you, of course. Wow, look at that lip. What a big impact. That's what the fun and flirty look is all about.